Sure. Yeah. Welcome back to another video from Makwala. We just received our parcel from TEMU. So a lot of people have been saying that TEMU is a scam. And this is my third one.
Yeah.
My third parcel that I'm getting from TEMU. So let's see if the things that we ordered are real. Okay. This looks small, but it looked too big on it looked too big on the internet. So this is like a diffuser. You know, when sometimes when you walk in the shops, there's these other things that will be popping up smoke that smells good. So you put whatever that you put inside here, your mixes in here, and then you plug it, so it brings the smoke out here, and then your room will smell nice or your house will smell nice. So this is the diffuser, as they call it. But it looked big, but looks small in real life. I don't know. But the ones that I've seen that they're bigger than this ones. Okay. We also got a tripod. I thought it's big, but it's too small, my guy. Let's see. This is for the content. When we go out and make videos, I believe this one is for holding a phone. When we go out and shoot podcasts and stuff for the channel, this is something that I got for the channel. Let's see. Ha, but it's small, bro. I thought it's bigger than this. Hey man, this thing looks a skinny. It has. What do you think? Wait, why does it go back? Oh, I should close it like this after I pulled the legs. I believe so. Ah, my guy. What do you think?
Yeah?
Wait, why are the legs not? Okay. What do you think? Yeah? We can't shoot standing up. You have to sit down when you're shooting with this thing. But I believe it's not bad. You can put it on a chair or something. I don't know. What do you think?
I think as long as it holds the phone is fine.
Ne? Okay. And then I also got this. These are the 3 t-shirts that I got. Okay, we'll check the t-shirt later. Let's finish unpacking what's inside here. So I got these things. I want to fix the bumper on this car, the Corolla. Hold this bumper here, you see? So I'm going to use these things to hold it. I'll do a video one day when I'm doing it. And I bought this gear Ntontoni. This is for my polo. Remember, I once got one for the 1400. So this one is one for the polo. This I'm gonna put it in the polo. That's all I got from Tim.
Let's check
But the real thing that I wanted was this. No, I didn't open it nicely. You know, I don't know how to open this thing. Fuck, the quality is good, bro. Ha. No, the material here, it's proper. Ah, the material is not bad.
Let's see the
texture. It's not bad. It's not bad. You can hear it, bro. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Which one?
I forgot. I bought 3 of them. I think for like $300 or $400. And I saw the same shit. Oh, Markham. They were selling each, I think, for 400, something like that. But this looks proper. Wow, this one is large, medium. Okay, no, they're all medium. Hey, but they look like large. It's proper. Let me try one. Boy, they fit nicely. They fit nicely. They fit nicely, my guy.
I love the neck. Let me see the neck.
The neck,
yeah,
no?
it doesn't show your skin bones and nutrients.
It's proper, my guy.
Yeah, it's proper. Okay.
I'm no longer buying.
The colors.
I know this is my colors.
I know it's your colors.
This is my colors.
The colors.
This is my colors.
The pink and the orange.
Oh, damn, my guy. Imagine printed Makwala Agri somewhere here or here or here. I don't know where to print it. And at the back here, Koala agree.
We don't know.
Then it's proper, man.
Let's see this thing.
Yeah, so that's all I had for you today at Makwala Agree. Thanks for watching the video.
Dango.
Okay, let's finish doing this thing. Yeah, it has this thing. I forgot what they call it. This thing is not a thermometer, my guy. They call it water pass. But how this thing is, it's been worked. It's not nice.
There's no way. Phone will do like that.
It will see it. Okay. I hope I don't break it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see.
Let's put this one
I see.
and see. There's your phone. Open cam. And you unleash, and then this is how you roll the camera. Okay. Oh, we also, wait a minute, you can also turn it like this, and then this is proper stuff, man. This is proper stuff for the channel, my guy. This is proper.
There's no way you can take 2 video.
And then you close it like that, and you're like, now you can shift it. This is proper.
How much is the tripod?
I don't know. I forgot how much I bought all this stuff.
You must,
But they were not doing.
you must give people details so that.
Okay, let's
find,
check.
They find.
But it's on that phone, the email. Yeah, but it was not expensive, man. I think I bought all this stuff for like $500 plus the import duties, which I paid like 115 rand.
And you also get extra bag.
That's not a bag.
This one you can put your socks.
The socks in. Let me see how much I got this. How do you check? How do you know? How do you check your previous orders on this thing?
Check out your statement where money goes out.